Hello again from the lab of DanielFepo4.com. We are here to see what is happening with sales delivered by Shenzhen City Weklang Technology, my new supplier. This is the second assembled battery from my site. The cells go inside of this metal box. Just we have finished the top balancing. You can see that still the deviation between cells is 0.001 volts. Here are the readings of each cells. I think everything is just perfect, and I'm very happy with Jessica from Shenzhen City Weklang Technology. This battery will last long. See you till next time.